Look in any direction, and you'll see physiology at work. Around the world, life sciences researchers seek to understand the complex dialogue between function and structure.
Physiology is the most exciting and motivating of the biological sciences. I love the fact that it crosses disciplines and the fact that it connects different levels of resolution.
By mapping how molecules, cells, tissues, organs, and organisms function under healthy and pathological conditions, we grow our understanding of what sustains life and what takes away from it. How do healthy microbiota provide resistance against pathogens? And how can diet help reduce the risk of chronic disease and mental health conditions? How can we individually tailor early interventions for metabolic and cardiovascular disease? For example, when is respiratory muscle conditioning more effective than aerobic exercise for improving cardiovascular health? Can drug delivery technology target specific organs? And can we make pharmacotherapy during pregnancy safer by preventing the transfer of drugs across the placenta?
Not only are the discoveries meant to impact people's lives, but they also set a platform for the next generation to be able to explore and expand them to many more discoveries.
Each discovery challenges or refines what we know and branches into new lines of inquiry. Will learning how oxygen influences immune cell activity allow us to develop new, smarter cancer treatments? How will understanding how estrogen impacts blood vessel dilation shape future investigations into sex hormones, cardiac remodeling, and heart disease? Can we harness the mechanisms strengthening neural pathways to develop neurotherapeutic devices that restore function in people living with spinal cord injuries or neurological disease?
Discoveries that physiologists make today impact people tomorrow by allowing the development of new strategies, technologies, and solutions for different challenges that can affect human health.
New biosensors and advanced imaging allow unprecedented insights into cellular functions in live tissues. Maturing technology for single-cell RNA sequencing illuminates the complexity of cellular landscapes. And combining single-cell methodologies with new spatial transcriptomics approaches reveals previously inaccessible perspectives into body systems like the gut. Still, infectious and chronic diseases continue to impact individuals, families, and communities. There is still much we don't know, and vital work that must be done. This requires a profound understanding of the intricate processes that sustain life. That's the unique value of an integrative approach, the value of physiological and biomedical research. This work must be funded. It must be allowed to grow and diversify. It must be supported in every way. Life truly depends on it.